If you have wondered why your dependent visa application was refused, despite the fact that you have a UK-born child involved in the application, well, having a UK-born child is not an automatic exception from the restrictions on dependent visa on the UK skilled worker route. There are other considerations that the Home Office will look into why deciding whether or not having a UK born child will have a positive impact on your application. I'm going to discuss these considerations in this video, and I hope you find some answers in them. The first thing is that the UK born child exception requires that the male applicant who is applying for this dependent is either the sole surviving parent of the UK born child, or they have sole responsibility over the UK born child. Now, having sole responsibility over the UK born child can be proven in several ways. The first way to prove that is when the male applicant is the only person named as the parent on the child's birth certificate. That's quite rare, but if that is the situation, the UK born child exception will apply. But once there are two parents named on the child's birth certificate, then the male applicant will have to prove that the other parent does not have and does not intend to have any role at all in the child's life. So that is how you could demonstrate having sole parental responsibility over the child. Another way the UK born child exception will apply is if the other parent of the child has their own visa and the other parent does not need to depend on the main applicant visa. So the father is on a visa, the mother is on a visa, and the UK born child is only applying to be the dependent of either of their parent. That way, the UK born child exception would apply. Once the UK child exception applied, every other person involved in the application may then be considered for exceptional circumstances, because that could result from the approval of the UK born child application. For example, if a parent is the male applicant, then the caseworker will want to consider the impact of refusal on other family members, maybe other siblings of the UK born child or the other parent of the UK born child. At this point, the Home Office will have to consider what will be in the best interest of the child, and then that could raise compounded exceptional circumstances under which the other persons involved in the application might be considered for approval outside immigration rule. This is my immigration fact check 048 001 to 047 can be accessed by visiting my profile. Save this video for your reference, share with as many of your friends as possible. Leave me a like if you like the video, and don't forget to leave your questions and comment in the comment box. Thank you, and I'll see you again.